Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME Narzo 60 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So as you can see, my device blacks out a little bit too fast for my liking, so let's change it. And all we have to do is to simply enter the settings, and here let's find the display and brightness. Now we have to scroll down in order to find this option auto screen off, and after tapping on it we will have much more options from which we can choose. So at the top of this list we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, which is currently played, and at the bottom we've got the longest option, which is 30 minutes. So in order to change the screen off option is to simply all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. So I will pick 5 minutes, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.